Alright, so to those who don't know, my grandparents are visiting us and they're staying at a residence inn in Clackamas. It's closer to Portland. So what I'm gonna do today, you are looking at a washing machine at a guest laundry room. We got the stuff set up. We're gonna be doing a load of clothes, and we gave them $1 for a pod. Probably just a Tide Pod, and for this type of machine, it cost $2. So I got 8 quarters for this type of machine. So anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna load it first. Actually, they're right there, but at least I showed you in the bag. So we're gonna open the door. As you can see, it's not in bad shape. It's just a small tub. It smells good in there. Here's your glass, suspension, and we're gonna put the pod in. I know how to put it in there so well. And we're going to be doing a load of clothes. They've actually been at this hotel for a few days, and there was enough amount of clothes. Okay, it's just a small load, but that's okay. We'll still do a regular cycle. Okay, so next up we're gonna first we're gonna close this door. Pardon that running. Next we're gonna do is we're gonna take these 8 quarters, 8 quarters, and we're gonna put them to this right here that is quarters only. So yeah, let's actually select the cycle I need. Would you like to do warm? Okay, warm. Ooh, I really like that. So let's go put the quarters in. As you can see, it counts down. 2, 3. Okay, 4 more to go. $1, 75, 50, 25, and 0. Okay, so as you can see, the start button is now blinking. What we're going to do is we're going to press the start button. Make sure the door is closed, and there you go. And we get like probably 30 minutes of wash time. You can see it filling up. Now, I'll get a chair. Grandma, you're free to check out how my sister's doing.
Okay.
You good?
Yep.
All right.
I'm right across the hall.
Okay, good for you. I don't know what it is. It's too late to select anything. It does have an extra rinse, but because it's the first time doing it, I'm gonna do it without extra rinse. So this is gonna be probably a warm cycle because there's no delicate cycle.
Right. It's all gonna be,
What?
it's all gonna be the same. In other words,
Oh yeah,
you don't get any choices.
so there's no other cycles.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be back.
All right, no problem. Hey, it actually did hot water. Alright. I'll be quiet in most of the video. So enjoy the video, guys. By the way, this hotel is new since 2022, so this is a very new machine. Oh, it's using a good amount of water. You guys can see. Okay, that one, the other one is spinning. Just spins right away on the first try. Oh, that's the bleach. There's a little bit more water. It smells like fabric softener. One of the fabric softeners I smelled. Okay, ours is draining. Yeah, that was kind of a delay on that one. I'm not sure how long it was draining. Oh, no intern spin? Wow. This one, it is detergent again. I say it's okay, water level. Just like that. Theirs is spinning right now, but ours is not yet. Okay, ours is draining. Okay, the lights turned off. Okay, it's gonna spin pretty soon. There goes the lights. I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, fabric it says softener. It's dispensing along with this thing. Got a good amount of water in there for this type of load. Got 11 minutes. That was like 30-minute wash. that's the other one. Theirs is winding down, which means we can hear ours fully. Alright, ours is draining. Okay, theirs is done. Now we are going to be spinning soon. Oh, hi. Okay, so there was a person who was transferring the load out of the washer into the dryer. I just realized something similar. Is it doing bursts or something? Because my washer never does that. Just does the first and only burst. This one is similar. Looks like we're in the final spin. Oh, I don't know what it's even doing. Let's take a look at this one more time. I'll do it when it gets full speed. Off we go. Hey. What's that noise? What the heck? I think it's coming from the bottom or something. Anyways, it's the final spin. That one did not make that sound, but this one does. Otherwise, it did good. No one else in the... I don't see people coming in at this time. At least it's less vibration. Okay, frames right here. Whoa. And I guess that'll be it. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open the door up to cancel that, to dismiss that message. And as you can see, it says leave door open after use, just like the customer did on that one. So we're gonna open the door, and it dismissed the message. Cool. I say it did good. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so I got Grandma in the laundry room again. The washer's done. So, I noticed that it did like a very loud final spin, even though it was perfectly balanced.
Are they even wet?
Well, I'll show you when I'm done with the video. So what we're gonna do is,
Oh, they're really dry.
well, I don't know what the RPM of this washer is.
Which one do you want to put them in?
Uh,
Upper, lower?
Let's try the high one.
Okay.
I haven't. Whoa. I don't think you ever seen a high dryer before, or you never used it.
I see. Bottom, top.
Yeah. All right. Let me give me a second and get the load out.
Feel wet. Did you get everything?
Yep. Check. Make sure. All right. So we got all the clothes in the dryer. Does have that classic thing, but I'm not gonna mess around with. So here's the settings. You can do high, low, medium, low, and no heat, but we're gonna do low.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put these on there. Okay, is there okay, top. Okay, so D40, so I think 40 minutes of drying time.
Mm-hmm.
All right, off we go when I press the button, and look at that. All right, so I think you should leave the door open after use.
Yeah, you're probably
So-
right.
Anyways, there you go. Hope you all enjoyed it. I don't know when I'm gonna do another video on it, but I'll probably have to wait whenever the next time they're gonna stay at this place. But whenever I want to do this again, then I'll probably select the extra rinse, see what difference it's make.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.